Come on, runny nose. Watch what you're doing. Come on down. Come on down. Cause we can go back in. Yeah, come on down. However you want to do it, on your tummy and like that, whatever. Come on, Shanine, it's time to go. Come on. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Go to the back door. Go on. Go to the back door. Why y'all picking up stuff? That's dirt. Come on, buddy. Shanine, what you got in your hand? Drop it. Okay, let me open the door. Back up a little bit. Well, your hands ought to be dirty and cold. Look at your hands. Come on. Go ahead, big boy. I see that. Throw it out. All right, go on up. As you cough, look at you, boy. Snot all on your nose. Well, go potty. Open that door. It should be open. Quit. I tell you how to quit, for you don't be playing on this doorway up here. It's locked. Open it up. How you gonna leave me? Get on in there. Get on in there, runny nose. Go. You go and take your coat off. You hear what I said?